This week we will be revising toekomende tyd. So I want you to open your functionele workbook on page 25 and let's go through the rules together. Okay, there are 3 rules when we work with toekomende tyd, future tense. To change a sentence into toekomende tyd, step 1, you have to underline your verb, put sal in its place, and then you move the verb to the end of the sentence. Okay, let's look at the example. Jeremy drink sy koffie. Step 1, underline the verb. Step 2, put sal in its place. Step 3, take the verb to the end. And then your answer will be Jeremy sal sy koffie drink. Ma maak kos. Step 1, underline your verb. Put sal in its place. Take your verb to the end of the sentence. Ma sal kos maak. Okay, the second rule. If the verb that you underlined is, that is changes to sal wees. So you still follow the steps here at the top. So you still have to underline your verb. Let's look at Jeremy is ly. Underline your verb. Put sal in its place. And add a wees at the end of the sentence. Jeremy sal lui wees. Okay. Pa is moeg. Okay. My verb is. Is changes to sal and you add a wees at the end. Pa sal moeg wees. Okay. The third rule. If the verb, your verb over here or the verb in those sentences or here is het, het becomes sal hê. Sal will be in the place of the het and then your hê will be at the end of the sentence. Jeremy het 'n meisie. My verb is het. Put a sal in its place and put a hê at the back. Jeremy sal 'n meisie hê. Hector het 'n vinnige motorfiets. Okay, my verb is het. Put a sal in its place, put a hê at the back. Hector het 'n vinnige Hector sal 'n vinnige motorfiets hê. Let's look at the activity that I want you to do in your Lekkerback book on page 36. We have to skryf die volgende sinne in die toekomende tyd, future tense. Die argitek kan planne teken. What is your verb? Your verb is kan. So you underline kan. Your rule is you put a sal in its place. Die argitek sal planne kan teken. Make sure that you remember that your verb in these sentences, because we've got a verb 1 and a verb 2, the verb 1 will just move before verb 2. That's why I changed to die argitek sal planne kan teken. Die dokter wil die pasiënt behandel. Okay, that is your verb 1, that is verb 2. So we're going to add verb 1 in here. Die dokter sal die pasiënt kan wil behandel. Next one. Die tandarts moet 'n tand trek. Verb 1 is moet. Verb 2 is trek. Verb 1 will be going in there. And sal will go into the place of verb 1. Die tandarts sal 'n tand moet trek. Die vlieënier mag die vliegtuig loods. Okay. Mag is your verb 1. Put a sal in its place. That is your verb 2. So verb 1 will just go in front of it. Die vlieënier sal die vliegtuig mag loods. Die lugwaarden kan kos bedien. Underline verb 1. That is verb 2. And what did we say? Verb 1 will just go before verb 2. Die lugwaarden sal kos kan bedien. Die onderwyser moet boeke merk. Underline your verb. Put a sal in its place. There are two verbs. The first verb will be moving in there. Die onderwyser sal boeke, verb 1, moet, verb 2, merk. Die brandweerman kan 'n vuur blus. Kan is verb 1. Put a sal in its place. That's verb 2 and we're going to sneak in verb 1 there. Die brandweerman sal 'n vuur, verb 1 needs to go there, kan blus. Die polisieman wil die dief vang. Underline your verb. Put a sal in its place. That's your verb 2, so verb 1 will be sneaking in there. Die polisieman sal die dief wil vang. And then your last one. Die regter mag die dief vonnis. Mag is verb 1. Put a sal in its place. Vonnis will be 2, so we're sneaking 1 in there. Die regter sal die dief mag vonnis. Hope you understand this. Okay, the next part will be voornaamwoorde. Voornaamwoorde are pronouns. So, the pronouns that we will be using today, sy, haar, hy, hom, hulle. Die verpleegster dra uniform. Okay? Verpleegster, is a girl, dra haar uniform. Die manlike dokter behandel sy pasiënt. Because remember, a hy, the second pronoun will be sy. If it's the first pronoun is sy, the next one will be haar, because then it's female. So I'm going to repeat that. If your first pronoun in the sentence is sy, the second one will be haar, because then we're referring to a girl. If the pronoun in a sentence, the first one is a hy, the second one will be a sy. Okay. Die pasiënt is in die saal, is baie siek. Sy is baie siek. Die ou dame is siek. Okay, so it's a dame. Dame means it's a lady. Sy gaan hospitaal toe. Hy het geval. Remember what I said, Jeff? Your first pronoun is hy. The second one will be sy. Sy been is gebreek. Die man is 'n bouer. Die man is male, so it's hy. Hy bou 'n huis. Die onderwysers merk kinders se boeke, merk. The pronoun that we are using is not there. Die onderwysers merk die kinders se boeke. Die seun se pa boer, hy help hom op die plaas. Okay, now I want you to think back of what I've taught you in class and all the work that we've done on voornaamwoorde. You can refer to your functionele book or to your Lekkerback book. And I want you to write the English meaning for each one of these pronouns. So what does ons mean in English? Ons means we. Hulle means they. So I want you to look these up, and then after you've done that, come back to this video and check your answers. Remember to pause now, do the activity, and then you come back to check. Hulle sin, there's, julle, You, julle sin. Yours, sy. She, haar. Her, hare, hers. Ons sin, ours. Jy, you, jou, your. Joune, yours. Hy, he, hom. His, syne. His, sy, his. The next activity, we will be reading this leesbegrip on page 38 and then answer the questions at the top of page 39. I will be reading this story to you in the next video clip.